Warm ocean waters and thunderstorms are the primary ingredients that fuel the development of intense hurricanes. These storms typically start as tropical waves, which are elongated areas of low pressure moving across the tropics. As these waves move over warm ocean waters, they can strengthen, potentially evolving into tropical depressions, storms, and eventually hurricanes. The interaction between the ocean's heat and atmospheric instability from thunderstorms creates the perfect conditions for the formation and intensification of these powerful cyclones.